Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Last class we saw journal and then ledger. In ledger also we saw how to convert the journal entries into ledger, isn't it? Now the opening balances, how we are going to make journal and then how we are going to enter into the ledger we are going to see now. Okay. First we are going to see the opening balance. Opening balance in the sense the year first beginning of the year. For example, January in the sense the January to December is an accounting period, or April to March it is an accounting period. So like that we have to enter. Okay. So first opening entries, how I am going to do, you see children. So 2017 January 1st, this is the opening journal. Okay. So cash account debtor, and then stock account debtor, and then Sohan account debtor, and then furniture account debtor. These are all the assets. Okay. So 45,000, 50,000, 35,000, and then 50,000. Okay. And then to Ram's account. Okay. Ram's account 20,000, and then to Joyce capital account 1,60,000. See balance as per assets and liabilities. Okay, so this is the opening balance of the journal. Okay, so cash Joy is opening bringing the capital, okay, as cash account, stock, and then Sohan, and then furniture. These are all the asset he is bringing, and then this is the Ram's and Joy's capital account. Okay, so first we should enter this. After that we have to post it into ledger. Okay children, copy this. In that I said no, assets and liabilities we saw, isn't it? In journal we entered. In that we are transferring to the ledger. Okay, now we are opening the cash account. So this cash account, what we should do, all the opening balance we have to bring it here. So in opening balance in the sense, if it is an asset, the opening balance will be in debit side. Okay, so you remember children, so always the assets opening balance will be in debit side. If it is a liability, the opening balance will be in credit side. Okay, so first opening balance in the sense it is an asset, cash is an asset, so the opening balance will comes in debit side. Okay, so here what you should write, no, 2017 January 1st, okay, opening balance. So to balance brought down, you have to write brought down. Okay, so 45,000. Okay, and then again stock is also an asset. Okay, so stock also asset in the sense opening balance should be comes in debit side. So same way 2017 January 1st to balance brought down. So if balance brought down, if you are writing in the sense, it is an opening balance. Okay, opening balance will be in 50,000. Like that you should write. Okay, so same way each and every asset you have to write it in the debit side. So if it is a liability in the sense, you have to write it in the credit side. I will tell you children, copy this. See children, now we are going to enter the liability. So already I said liability should comes in the credit side. So always the opening balance of liability will comes in credit side. Okay, that's why I am writing Ram's account 2017 January 1st by balance brought down 20,000. Okay, and then Joy's capital account, capital is also liability. So opening balance should comes in credit side. January 1st by balance brought down how much? 1,60,000, isn't it? 1,60,000. Okay, copy this, children. See, children, now I will tell you one example. Journalize the following transaction and post them to ledger. On May 20th, 2018, Ram paid salaries 15,000, electricity charges 8,000 and wages 2,000. Okay, see, in this transaction, same type of entry we are going to do. That is called as a compound journal, we used to say. Okay, so how I am doing, you see, children. See, Ram paid salaries. So, in which date? On May 20th, 2018. Okay, so salary account. Okay, salary account debtor, and then electricity charges account debtor, and then wages account debtor to cash account. Okay, so salary, electricity charges and wages, all the three are nominal accounts. So that's why we are entering in the same account. That's why it is called as compound journal. Okay, so salary, how much he paid? 15,000. And then electricity charges 8,000. And then wages 2,000. Totally how much they have paid? 25,000, isn't it? So 25,000. So here you have to write being expenses paid. Okay, being expenses paid, you have to write the narration. So this is a journal. In this compound journal, how we are going to enter into the ledger, we will see, children. Now we are going to enter into the ledger, children. So first we have to open the salary account. Okay, salary account. So salary account to cash account, no? So cash should come to debit side. So 2018 May 1st salary, no? To cash account. To cash, how much he paid? 15,000. Okay, and then what we should do? We have to open the electricity charges account. So we have to open each and every account. Okay, electricity charges account, this is also an expenses. So this is a compound journal, in the sense you have to write like this. So to cash account, how much he paid? 8,000. Okay, same way we have to open the wages account and then cash account also. Okay, copy this, children. Next we have to enter wages. Okay, so wages account we have to open. Wages account, wages is also an expenses, isn't it? So wages account debtor to cash account, isn't it? So May 1st 2018 to cash. How much? Wages 2,000, isn't it? So 2,000 rupees you have to write here. Okay, and then what we should do, no? Cash account you have to open. Okay, cash, whatever all we debited, everything we are going to credit now. Okay, so what we should do, no? May 1st 2018, what are all the expenses we made? So by salary account, and then by electricity charges account, and then by wages account. Okay, so how much salary is? 15,000, and then electricity charges 8,000, and then wages 2,000. Okay, so both the sides it is equal. So what are all we debited, that amount, and then what are all we credited, both the amount should be equal. Okay, so that amount should come. Okay children, copy this. Now we move on to the sum children. The following balances appeared in the book of Vinod on January 1st, 2018. Asset cash 40,000, stock 50,000, amount due from Ram 20,000, machinery 40,000. Liabilities, amount due Vijay 10,000. Pass the opening journal entries and post them to Vinod's capital account. So how we should write? We will see. See, January 1st, 2018 children. Okay, so cash account, debtor, how much? 40,000. Okay, and then stock. Stock account, debtor, 50,000. And then amount due from Ram. So Ram account, debtor, how much? 20,000. Okay, and then machinery account, debtor, 40,000. Okay, now they have given liabilities also to Vijay. To Vijay account 10,000. So what you should do now, you add all the amounts and subtract 10,000 in this. Okay, you will be getting 1,40,000. Okay, overall both the sides you will be getting 1,50,000. This is a journal for this transaction. Okay, so being assets and liabilities. Okay, like that you have to write children. Copy this. In this sum, they told us to put only Vinod's capital account in ledger. Okay, so now I am going to do ledger Vinod account. Vinod's account. Okay, so Vinod's is invested only the capital, which is 1,40,000. Okay, so only I am going to write the capital alone. Okay, so capital is in liability, no? So liability always should comes in credit side, already I said. So the date is 2018 January 1st. Okay, so assets. So how much he gave the asset? By assets account, how much he gave? 1,40,000, isn't it? So 1,40,000 he gave, no? We have to balance this ledger. How we should balance, I will tell you. See, in debit side only we have to balance. At the end of the year or end of the month only they will balance the amount. See, January 1st is the opening year, isn't it? So 2018 December 31 I am going to close this account. Okay, so how I am going to do, you see children, see to balance carry down 1,40,000. Okay, again what I am going to do, no, I have to bring that balance. So 2018-19 January 1st opening balance is by balance brought down how much? 1,40,000. You have to bring like this. So what you should do? You have to bring the balance like this, 1,40,000, 1,40,000, like this you have to write. This is the capital that he invested, and then I balanced this amount and then I brought it in the next year's opening balance. This is the end of the year. This is the next year's opening balance. Okay. Next we move on to the another sum. Prepare furniture account from the following transaction 2016 January. So straight away we have to prepare the ledger in this sum. So January 1st furniture in hand 2000, and then purchased furniture for cash 4000, and then 30th sold furniture 400. Okay, so what we should do now? First, opening balance. The furniture is a asset, so opening balance should be in debit side. Okay, furniture account, furniture is an asset, so opening balance should be in debit side. 2016 January 1st. Okay, so to balance brought down. Okay, brought down how much? 2000. And then what happened? He purchased a furniture. So furniture account data to cash account. So automatically the cash should come to debit side. So cash account, how much? 4,000. Okay, and then sold furniture. So 30th, January 30th, he sold that furniture, 2016. Okay, so sold in the sense furniture account, cash account to furniture account. Okay, so by cash, isn't it? Cash account, how much? 400. Okay, and then we have to balance the ledger. So how you should balance? I said already. So this side 6,000, isn't it? So both the side you have to balance it, in the sense you have to put 6,000 here, and then by balance carry down. Why I am doing like this, in the sense which side the amount is very less, that side only we have to balance. Okay, so by balance carry down 5,600. Okay, so the date is very much important, children. January 31st. Okay, so 2016, and then we have to bring it. So January in the sense February, they will be coming the forthcoming year we have to write. So 2016 February 1st, opening balance. Okay, to balance brought down 5,600. Okay, do you understand, children? Copy this. Prepare a sale account from the following transaction. Only sales account alone we have to open. Okay, so 2018 January 1st, sold goods to Sam for cash 4,000, sold goods to Suresh by check 2,500, sold goods to Joy on credit 8,000, sold goods to Rajan by cash 3,000. So first we have to open only the sales account. So sales account alone we have to open in ledger. Okay, so sales. So sales, what we should do now? We have to write the sale cash account to sales account. If it is a cash transaction, in the sense cash account to sales account. Okay, so cash we have to write it here. So 2018 January 1st by cash account, how much? 4,000. And then what he did? So January 4th by bank, because so check, they have given the check, that's why bank account to sales account. So bank should come in credit side 2,500. And then by Joy account, how much? 8,000. And then by cash account 3,000. So first what we should do? We have to balance the amount. Okay, so here how much it is coming? 17,500. Here also 17,500 we should write, and then which side the amount is very less amount we have to write it here. So to balance carry down 17,500, and then by balance brought down 17,500 you have to write. So date January 1st, no? So January 31st here, and then the opening balance again you should write February 1st. Okay, so the date is very much important, children. You have to write this. Okay, copy this.